Hey, this is Peter Gurdy, and in this case study, I'm going to share with you a simple lead generation funnel that got 8,945 leads. And this is something you can literally copy in your business to generate leads today. So during this video, I will share with you the giveaway hook. I'm going to share with you the landing page, the offer page. I'm even going to show you the winning ad and the results from those ads. And we'll do some calculations on the fly. So you're going to learn a massive amount of information in this video that you can instantly apply in your business today. And this is particularly valuable to those who are taking action instead of those who are just trying to copy and paste stuff. If you think with your own head, this is going to open your mind to virtually unlimited possibilities. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing I want to share with you is how this came about. So I had this report, how you can make money with Dashnext today. And it basically consists, as you can see, of 6 pages. And it talks about how to activate link in bio page, right? What you need to do, what kind of steps you need to do. So it's a basic kind of information, super simple, super effective. But this is how people can start their journey in making money. So this is the actual giveaway report. So as you can see, nothing fancy. Anybody can make this. You can copy this. You probably have access to this. And also, it can be any other type of report. It doesn't need to be this one, right? Again, the point is that it doesn't need to be fancy. There are only 6 pages, very little information, actionable steps. That is the key, right? When you give somebody actionable steps, that's how they can implement it. Now, let's go to check the results. So you can see this RXA 3 simple steps funnel. There are 8,945 entrants. This is easy opt-ins system inside of the Dashnext PowerTech website builder, right? And if you go to the this opt-in form, you can see it's super simple. Again, get 3 simple steps to make money today. Just tell us where to send the PDF with action steps. And we even say that we are going to send this to them. So we are not going to give it to them, which is a very key insight for you. Because what we want people to enter wallet email addresses. We don't want fake emails, right? And we are saying to them that we are going to be sending the report. We are not going to give it away right away, right? Then the data we collect is just email, customization, some basic stuff, right? Nothing fancy. And then confirmation is a simple redirect to the page, and publishing, it's some tags, and I have integration with ActiveCampaign where I'm collecting these leads into, right? So that's the easy opt-ins form. So if we sort this out, so this is the one, 8,945 leads. Now let's take a look at the page itself. So this page is generated using the Markex template, but it doesn't matter. It can be any other template because I literally used AI to generate these kind of simplistic steps right here. You see now, download the free PDF with 3 simple action steps. A few moments later, read the PDF, follow the steps. 15 minutes later, review and launch to activate it. Later today, start getting results online. I mean, it's super simple. It's super easy, right? And you can, as you can see, 1 page equals simple action steps. You can probably make $100 plus today by following 3 simple steps. Want to try? It's free. So as you can see, the hook is super simple. It's not, I'm going to promise you the moon or anything like that. Just give it a try, see if it works for you. If it doesn't, not a big deal. Okay, so that is the landing page. Now, the most important thing is that this landing page looks really good on mobile device, because most people, when they browse social media, because obviously you need to run ads in order to attract large volume of people, when they browse social media, they do that on mobile phones, and you want to make sure this page looks good on mobile, and it does, right? I can't show it to you right now. I don't want to kind of spend time on it, but essentially it looks really good on mobile device, which is the key, okay? And so if somebody clicks on this, they get this opt-in form, they enter their email, and boom, they are redirected to the confirmation page. Now, confirmation page or offer page, this is where the magic happens, okay? So first of all, we are saying thank you. You are on your path to $100 online. We have this kind of kind of only the the progress bar as well, showing that they are almost there but not really there. And then we are saying, in fact, the first $10 will be waiting for you inside of the Dashnext account. Now, why do we say this? We say this because if we go inside of the Dashnext account, and this is actually the page that they get to download the report. But if we go inside of the Dashnext account and if we go to the affiliate launchpad, right? So let's just do this, right? If we go there, what is happening is that when users are using this registration, so when you, for example, send somebody to Dashnext via this link, they are getting $10, right? So there is, I think this one or this one. I don't remember. I think this one, this registration page, right? So users are getting $10 and you are getting $10, right? In your account. And that's what this is all about, okay? So when somebody clicks this link and they actually register an account, they are going to get $10 in their affiliate account. So when they will come to this account, they will see the earnings already like $10, right? So they will see the earnings $10 right there, okay? So that's very important, kind of already kind of gives them a reason to register an account, right? But then I'm not stopping there because this is part of the RxSL program which we have, where we give away Dashnext PowerTech license. We format it in this very specific way. Exclusive bonus from our members. It's a traditional here at Dashnext that the most successful members reward new members by giving away one of their lifetime pro license on the Dashnext website builder and store builder, worth $2,500 per year. Therefore, when you will register Dashnext account today, the free lifetime pro license will be waiting for you inside. And this simply gives them a reason to register an account again, right? Because also when they will receive an email with the invitation to join to claim the PDF that we promised here on this page, and that PDF is actually located here inside. So if we go back, this PDF is located here on this page, and so they will be linked to this page. So they have to register an account in order to claim the page, right? Then we also generated some testimonials here, right, to just show them that actually, there are people that already claimed it. And then we have the information about what kind of email they need to expect. So we have sent you an email from support@dashnext.com with subject line PDF access, your path to $100 today inside. Please check your inbox right away. You're just moments away from starting to make serious money online. Simplicity, speed, results. Now, obviously, you can customize this to your business, to whatever it needs. But what you can learn from this is that you give them a benefit number one, or reason number one, to take the most important action, and then you emphasize that reason with something else, right? So you package the offer, maybe multiple products or multiple services together, giving the reason for them to take the most important action, which in our case, the most important action for us is somebody registering a Dashnext account. Because when they register a Dashnext account, let's say they verify their account, so they pay $10 for verification, but then that unlocks them to build their business on Dashnext and things like that, which is very, very important to us. So as you can see, from the design perspective, from kind of setup perspective, it's a super simple 2 pages, right? 1 page and the second page, and that's about it. There's nothing fancy about it. So no complicated setups whatsoever, no complicated designs as people think they need. They actually don't, right? And typically people who don't take action, those are the people who ask for those things. But those who do take action, they realize that the simplicity is the key, and simplicity wins everywhere, right? So again, very simple page, black and on white. Right? A very simple page and very simple confirmation page. The key is the offer. Now, I already shared with you that this generated 8,945 leads. Now, obviously, we want to also check the Facebook ads. So here are my campaigns. I ran these campaigns, and I want to show you a couple of things here which are super important, okay? So my campaigns here were all optimized for website completed registration, which is not actually these leads, but Dashnext accounts. Okay, so whenever you look here on completed registrations, that means that they have actually registered an account. Now, let's take a look how many we have here. So we have 461 plus 3,014 plus 78 plus 56 and plus 604. So that's 4,213 leads right there. Now, let me open a notepad here. So we are going to say, okay, so we have 8,945 leads. So these are people on autoresponder, right? So in our active campaign. And then we have 4,213 registered users, okay? So that will be something like if we divide 4,213 by 8,945. So what's that? So that's something like 47% conversion, right? 47% conversion, 47% conversion right there, okay? So that's the conversion on this page. So this page, this offer converted to 47% of people actually took this action, okay? This is very important to understand. It's very, very important to understand. Now, the next thing we need to look at right here is also the traffic. Now, I want to point out and show you the click-through rates, right? So CTR, link click-through rate, the most important metric, along with the cost per click. And you can see that, you know, this one ad set, or this one campaign particularly stood out, right? It just stood out on all metrics, 6.95% click-through rate, 72 cents per click, which is very good, and lots of traffic. Now, if we look again on the calculator here, okay, so let's take a look. We have 1,703 plus 10,433 plus 316 plus 320 plus 2,168. So that's 14,940 clicks, okay? Now, what do we want to do now? We want to calculate the conversion rate of this page, okay? How many people opt in from this page, okay? So let's go back to our metrics here, okay? Let me check all the details. And so what we are going to do, we are going to take 8,945, right? And we are going to divide it by 14,940 clicks, okay? So our actual page converted 59.87%, okay? Conversion rate or opt-in rate, okay? And I can tell you this from my experience, this is an epic opt-in rate. Very few people are getting this kind of opt-in rate on cold traffic from Facebook ad, okay? Now, I'll show you the ad itself as well, so you can see how simple that ad is. And you can see, for example, that this one particular, which is still kind of enabled. So this was for woman 25-39, passive income, estimated reach 1.2 million. That's my kind of setup. That's how I do this. Right, and you can see it generated 8,314 clicks, 7.03% click-through rate, which is very, very good. Now, if we look at the ad itself, so if we click on this ad set and we go to the ad itself, you'll see that the ad is super, super simple. Okay, so we will look at Facebook feed ad, kind of very difficult to see here. Let's see on the feed ad. So you can see that the part of the ad is essentially this woman was AI generated. So I used Midjourney to generate this ad, and I actually had multiple of those. But because, again, I'm looking at who I'm targeting. So I'm targeting woman 25-39. So I want the relevant woman to be shown there, right? This is happy influencer, right? This kind of feel good type of feeling, right? And then the ad itself is very simple. The requirements are few, the process is simple, the outcome is predictable, and simple side hustle. You can probably make $100 per day. Again, not a big promise, not a like come here, I'll give you the moon. Not that type of promise, but just simplicity throughout. right? Simplicity throughout. So relevance and simplicity is something you absolutely need to implement if you are building your own campaigns. Okay, and you can see it's very, very simple. And even if you look at the other campaigns, for example, let's say this campaign. Okay, so what was this campaign? This was campaign for different folks here. And if you look at this one ad, and you'll see this ad is different again because we are targeting different crowd. Okay, but again, the text is the same. Only this gentleman is different, right? And this is, again, I generated this from Midjourney, like simple AI ad, AI image, simple side hustle. The requirements are few, the process simple, the outcome predictable, and that's about it. So there is literally nothing that can hold you back from now learning from this and taking action. And if you obviously, if you are a partner, if you are our partner, Dashnext partner, then you have access obviously inside to the RX Launchpad, which is where you can grab the links and which is where you can also hook up this opt-in form, this particular opt-in form. You can hook it up with the easy opt-in system inside of the RxSL. And then you have the automated sort of hard locking of the leads whenever they opt in. So essentially, whenever they opt in here, they are automatically, that email is already inside of the Dashnext locked under your name. So whenever they register an account, they are guaranteed to be coming from you, which means that you will be making all the revenue from it. Now you can click the link below this video and claim one of the partnership spots if you don't have one yet. We have only 100 available. So if you see the page up, that means we still have some. If you don't, then unfortunately you missed out. But in any case, you learned a lot from this video. And if you implement this in any capacity, in any business, it could be service business. It doesn't need to be related to Dashnext, but applying the same principles that I shared with you in this video can make you lots of money right now. So that's it for this quick case study. Thanks for watching. I'm Peter Girardi. Talk to you soon.